Look around. The world in 2026 is moving faster than ever. And if you're still trading your time for a paycheck, you're playing a losing game. The secret to wealth right now isn't working harder. It's about leveraging artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting for you. While most people are scared that AI will take their jobs, a small group of smart individuals are using it to build massive income streams right from their bedrooms. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder or a tech genius to join them. Today, at Future Money Lab, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly how to build a digital empire. We're breaking down 5 AI-powered side hustles that are printing money in 2026. I've saved the most profitable, one for the very end, so make sure you don't miss a single second. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to Future Money Lab and hit that like button if you're ready to. Learn how AI can help you build new income streams. Number 5, AI-powered Faceless TikTok and Reels creator. In 2026, short-form content is the absolute fastest way to go viral and make money in the US. The strategy here is simple. Use an AI tool like ClipTalk or InVideo AI to generate hundreds of highly engaging shorts on autopilot. Think about it this way. You don't need to show your face or even use your own voice. You simply ask the AI to write a script about mind-blowing psychology facts or daily motivation. The AI automatically writes the text, adds cinematic visual clips, generates a realistic voiceover, and syncs everything perfectly. Because it takes less than 2 minutes. To create one short, you can easily run 3 to 4 accounts in different niches. You can monetize these accounts through the TikTok Creator Rewards program or by placing simple affiliate product links in your bio. The US audience has a massive appetite for short content, making this an incredible money-making machine. Number 4, AI voiceover and narration services. With the explosion of audiobooks and podcasts, the demand for professional voiceovers is at an all-time high. The strategy here? Use 11 Labs to create ultra-realistic voice clones or unique AI personas and sell these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. In the past, you needed a soundproof room and a $500 microphone to be a voice artist. Now, you can take a client's script, run it through a premium AI voice model, and deliver a studio-quality audio file in minutes. Many small businesses in the US need voices not for their commercials or training videos, but they can't afford celebrity prices. You can offer them professional-grade narration for a fraction of the cost and keep 100% of the profit for just a few clicks of work. Number 3, selling AI-generated stock photography. This is a total sleeper hit. Companies are constantly looking for unique images for their ads. The strategy is to use Midjourney or DALL-E 3 to create hyper-realistic, high-demand photos like modern office interiors or diverse people working in tech and upload them to Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Adobe Stock now fully allows and even promotes AI-generated content as long as it looks real. Instead of going out with a camera, you sit at home and prompt the AI to create perfect images. Every time a blogger or a news site downloads your photo, you get a royalty check. Imagine having a portfolio of 5,000 AI images working for you 24/7. It's the ultimate set it and forget it business model for 2026. Number 2, AI-driven newsletter automation. Newsletters are the new real estate. The strategy is to use ChatGPT-4 or Claude 3 to curate and summarize daily news in a specific niche like AI news or green energy and publish it using a platform like Behave. People are overwhelmed with information. They want someone to summarize the most important news for them. You use AI to read 50 articles a day and write a clean 5-minute summary. Once you build an email list of a few thousand Americans, brands will pay you thousands of dollars just to put a small ad in your email. It's highly scalable, and once your AI workflow is set up, it takes less than 30 minutes a day to run. Number 1, AI consulting for small businesses. Think about it. Your local plumber, the dentist down the street, or that bakery you go to every weekend, they all know they need AI, but honestly, they have absolutely zero clue how to use it. And before you say anything, no, you don't need to be a coder. I can barely fix my own Wi-Fi, all right? You just use no-code AI tools like Chatbase. In like an hour, you can set up a simple chatbot on a local bakery's website that answers customer questions 24/7. That's it. Now here is the crazy part. These businesses will gladly pay you a $500 setup fee and then $100 every single month just to keep it running smoothly. Do the math real quick. You get just 10 small clients, that's $1,000 a month landing in your bank. Account on autopilot. You're basically their go-to AI guy. Look, the gap between people who are making it and people who aren't in 2026 is literally just about who knows how to use this tech. The blueprint is right here. The only question left is, are you actually going to take that first step? So which of these AI hustles are you starting today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want a deep dive into how to actually pitch these businesses, just ask. Do me a huge solid. Hit that subscribe button for future Money Lab. We drop fresh ideas like this every single week. Appreciate the love, guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.